Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Now project transformation of the upstairs of the house is well underway now. We have been doing quite a bit of work today with my sons, and here is what's happening at the moment. We have totally gutted the upstairs, so it's, well, almost totally gutted. We have separated the plasterboard from all the walls, partitions, that you can still guess where the difference in floor was. Partition, there was one bedroom here, the other bedroom at the back with the door that used to be here. That's all been taken out, all the partitions and everything, all the ceiling and all the insulation on the roof. We still got a bit of cabling. The structure of the building is good. Here is the old cupboard. Well, because they got the windows, obviously the windows are not going at the moment. This is the chimney at the back, which is also gone. We will be covering that, everything will be covered. We've kept the old insulation that was in the ceiling. It's not great, it's about 50 millimeter, 60 millimeter thick, but we'll just pack that in the here, because the wall itself is quite thick. It's about 50 centimeter thick, so it will be insulating quite well already. So it's just, we don't need an enormous amount of insulation. And this is the entrance. Obviously it's been sealed off, so we still got a little bit of the plaster to give you an idea how it looked before. Here, this is separation between the old, that's the current house, and that's the new extension, the new extension. And we've got all the cabling. There's the chimney, which is, we can't move that because this is just a solid block from downstairs at the end of the room. The house there goes up, so that's going to be a feature as well. And yeah, it's looking fab so far. The roof is in excellent condition. The rafters are good, so we'll just be removing all this, and we'll be basically keeping all the rafters and paint them, and then plasterboard this in with insulation and plasterboard all the way up to the apex. And there's this big cable here. This is the main supply of electricity to the house, so we need to get that moved to the apex. So I'll just basically reroute that right at the top all the way. And yeah, quite a bit of work more to do.